Everybody, let us see coordinate system. In this coordinate system we have to clear about why do we need coordinate system. In general, the physical quantities we shall be dealing with an electromagnetic or functions of space and time. In order to describe the spatial variations of the quantities, we must be able to define all points uniquely in space in a suitable manner. This requires using an appropriate coordinate system. Next, a point or vector can be represented in any curvilinear coordinate system, which may be orthogonal or non-orthogonal type. An orthogonal system in one in which the coordinates are mutually perpendicular. Example of orthogonal coordinate system includes the Cartesian or rectangular, cylindrical, spherical. Those three classifications are in orthogonal coordinate system. Orthogonal right-hand coordinate systems. In this system, three coordinate axes will be there. That axes are x, y, z are mutually right angles to each other. Consider a point P. It contains x, y, z in space at a distance r from the origin. The vector r can be represented as ax vector, ay vector, az vector. Obviously, the base vector of unit vector in a given direction is vector in that direction divided by its magnitude. Next, we have to look at coordinate system used in this classes. Already I told in the previous slides, Cartesian coordinate system, cylindrical coordinate system, spherical coordinate system. Cartesian coordinate system can have the three directions or x, y, z. Cylindrical coordinate system have three directions. They are rho, pi, z. Spherical coordinate system having three directions. They are r, theta, pi. Let us see the Cartesian coordinate system. Consider a point x, y, z in the rectangular coordinate system. Let us increase each coordinate by a differential amount, then a new point P or Q will be obtaining having coordinate system. If the base vector are ax cap, ay vector or az vector, those three vectors contains a satisfy relationship of base vectors. That relationship having different vector multiplied by dotted, which is equal to carry forward of third vector. Same that ax vector dot ay vector equal to az vector. Ay vector dot az vector equal to ax vector. Az vector dot ax vector equal to ay vector. Those three base vector conditions occurring on the planes ax vector, ay vector, az vector in the Cartesian coordinate system. In this Cartesian coordinate system, says surface area of the element and unit vector of the surface. Also clear cut explanation of base vectors. That vectors are ax vector, ay vector and az vector. Next we have to see cylindrical coordinate system. This cylindrical coordinate system having three directions. That direction says rho, pi, z. The circular cylindrical coordinate system is very convenient whenever we are dealing with problems having cylindrical symmetry. A point P in cylindrical coordinates system is represented as rho pi z. That rho pi z make the formation of unit vector or base vector. That formation, which is called a rho vector, is the direction of rho. A pi vector is the direction of pi. A z vector is the direction of z. This cylindrical coordinate system represented a graphical pattern. That graphical representation says a point P in cylindrical coordinate is represented as rho pi z and is shown in figure, where rho r is the radius of cylinder passing through P, or the radial distance from the z-axis. Pi is called optimized angle, is measured from the axis in the xy plane. Then z is the same as the Cartesian system. The range of the variables or the beginning origin of 0 to infinity representation of rho limitation, pi limitation having origin 0 to the value of 2 pi, z limitations or start with minus infinity to plus infinity. A vector A in cylindrical coordinates can be written as in the form of a rho vector dot a pi vector equal to a z vector, same as the previous Cartesian coordinate system. A pi vector dot a z vector equal to a rho vector, a z vector dot a rho vector equal to a pi vector, which mean two vectors are multiplied by dot product. Is it come out the another insufficient vector, that is called the base vector satisfaction relations. Next go with spherical coordinate system. This is third coordinate system. This spherical coordinate system says it contains three different directions. That directions different from cylindrical and Cartesian. The spherical coordinate system is most appropriate when dealing with problems having a degree of spherical symmetry. A point P in spherical coordinate system is represented as r theta pi. That r theta pi is the direction of spherical coordinate system. Depends that directions we make base vectors are ar vector, a theta vector, a pi vector. This is spherical coordinate system figure. The figure says a point P in spherical coordinate system is represented as r theta pi. That where r is defined as the distance from the origin at point P, or the radius of a sphere centered at the origin and passing through P. Theta is the angle between the z-axis and the position vector P. Pi is measured from the axis same as mutual angle in cylindrical coordinate system. Same as it has three ranges for various process of r and theta and pi, even a single. So r having a limitations from origin of 0 to infinity, theta having the limitation of 0 to pi, pi having the limitation of 0 to 2 pi. Spherical coordinate system having a base vector, already I told that base vector multiplied by adaptation of dot product, it says same of cylindrical and Cartesian, the two different vector multiplied by dot, which is come out another vector, ar vector dot a theta vector equal to a pi vector, same a theta vector dot a pi vector equal to ar vector. Similarly, the other vector came here. This is spherical coordinate system limitations. Next, we watch position vector. Position vector in the sense the base vector arrangements can have to placed according their position, which is called position vector, in their arbitrary function. So the arbitrary function represent f r.